Hello guys, so DJI is gonna release a new action camera in November 28. Are they ready to compete with GoPro? Is it waterproof or water resistance? Is the price reasonable to be compete with Hero 7? This is the things that I have to know. So let me know guys, I'm very interested. It's gonna be awesome. And you can see here, there's really no other action camera out there that can outstand GoPro. Stabilize that you can see here, and the Pocket Osmo has a 3-axis gimbal, but is it enough to handle extreme environments just like GoPro? I mean, the only time that I actually have a waterproof or water resistant footage underwater is my drone crash. Now you guys can see here, we all thought that this came out from the Mavic 2s, but actually not. It's actually just itself. You can see here. Is it gonna be 4K 60 or it's gonna be 4K 30? You can see it right here. It's really small. It's a good thing for portability. But like I said, most people now have cell phones, so it's gonna be interesting how this thing gonna be competing with other action cameras. Like I said, GoPro is just, everybody knows that it can outstand durability wise. It can just handle any weather, and people use it in an extreme environment. And there's already a company out there that already came up with this, but they failed. So, I mean, Osmo got a good name. It's through DJI. But like I said, is the price gonna be enough? I mean, think about it. You're gonna have your phone with you. Most of the time, you're gonna use your phone. I mean, the only time that you don't really use your phone if you're like underwater, and people use what? GoPro for that, or any other salt water. So let me know guys, this is gonna be interesting. I mean, I do like it. It looks small, but like I said, there's also like the Hero 7 and also the Hero 6, and the prices are dropped right now. So it's gonna be interesting, especially coming up, what, December, or when it's gonna be released. Like I said, yeah, hopefully the price is not gonna be as much. Hopefully it's around low 400, maybe like 350. Because it's gonna be more, it's gonna be interesting to compete with other brand out there. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm just giving you guys my thought. And this new Pocket Osmo Mobile 2 Go. It looks cool, looks small. And I can't wait. I've been waiting for something like this. It's been a long time. I've been wanting DJI to come up with an action camera. But like I said, they're coming out with a 3-axis gimbal, and we're gonna go ahead and see how good this guy is.